Understanding the code requirements for arc fault circuit interrupter or AFCI protection involves several key areas in a residence. It is important to understand these nuances to ensure safe and code-compliant electrical installations. Let's break down the specifics for different areas of our home. Regarding bedroom outlets, all 125-volt, 15-amp, and 20-amp outlets located within bedrooms are required to have AFCI protection. This encompasses general use receptacles intended for lamps, electronics, and other appliances. However, this requirement typically excludes outlets that serve specific dedicated purposes. For example, outlets that power ceiling fans, exhaust fans, or light fixtures are generally not classified as general-purpose receptacles. Therefore, they are often exempt from the AFCI requirement in bedrooms. This distinction is based on the intention that AFCI protection is primarily targeted at preventing arc faults in circuits that supply readily accessible receptacles used by occupants. Regarding closet lights and switches, closet light fixtures and their associated switches are generally not subject to AFCI protection. This exclusion stems from the consideration that closets, despite being adjacent to or serving a bedroom, are treated as distinct rooms or areas. Consequently, the electrical components within a closet are not mandated to have AFCI protection solely because they are associated with a bedroom. In the realm of smoke detectors are considered as outlets, especially when determining AFCI requirements. Given their presence in bedrooms, smoke detectors must be connected to AFCI-protected circuits. This regulation is in place because smoke detectors are crucial life safety devices, and ensuring their reliable operation is paramount. By incorporating them into AFCI-protected circuits, the risk of undetected arc faults compromising their functionality is mitigated. When discussing bathrooms that exclusively serve a single bedroom are typically exempt from AFCI protection requirements. This is because bathrooms are treated as separate rooms, much like closets. However, this exemption is conditional. If a bathroom serves multiple rooms, such as a hallway or living room, all 125-volt, 15-amp, and 20-amp receptacles within that bathroom must be AFCI protected. This ensures that any potential arc faults within these more accessible bathrooms are detected and interrupted, thereby enhancing safety. Now, let's consider some additional points that offer further clarity on AFCI implementation. Firstly, the AFCI requirement primarily applies to branch circuits that directly supply the specified areas. This means that if a single circuit feeds outlets in both bedrooms and other areas, such as living rooms or kitchens, only the outlets located within the bedrooms need to be AFCI protected. The portions of the circuit that extend to non-bedroom areas do not require AFCI protection. Secondly, AFCI protection can be achieved through two primary means. The most common method involves utilizing AFCI circuit breakers installed in the electrical panel. These breakers monitor the circuit for arc fault signatures and trip to energize the circuit when a fault is detected. Alternatively, AFCI receptacles can be installed at individual outlet locations. These receptacles offer localized arc fault detection and interruption capabilities. It's crucial to note that while AFCI receptacles can be effective, they may not provide protection for the entire branch circuit like an AFCI breaker does. It is always a prudent practice to consult with local building officials or a licensed electrician to ensure strict adherence to the specific code requirements applicable in one's jurisdiction. Electrical codes can vary slightly from one location to another, and staying informed about these nuances is essential for maintaining electrical safety and compliance.